amazing people, I hope you're very fine, enjoying your life, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. On this channel we just talk about France because France is a fantastic country to live, and you also have to learn French language because French can make you citizen of all these French speaking countries. So always come to France and learn French language. And now I have a very good news to all the international students, and this good news will force you to come to France because I have a good news about the free education you can get if you want to do your bachelor studies in France, because France has launched a special education program that is called Kaise International. And this program, you can imagine, it's a big immigration change, big education change they have made in their education system, because with this program everybody can come to France. Because I know that thinking about France, it is always expensive, you have always doubts. So there are a lot of students who wants to come but they can't come because they don't have a financial strong background. But thanks to this new education program, Kaise International, because with this program everybody can come because it is offered free of cost. So this is something big advantage you have. So if anybody who is interested to come to France to study free of cost bachelor degree, so you must watch this complete video because I'm going to explain each and every point which will be helping you to better understand the process. And that's how you can make your life easy and you can come to France easily. So watch this video till the end, and that's how you will understand everything. So now, without wasting further time, let's get started. So now let me talk about first the name Kaise International, because I know that once you hear this word you become curious what it's all about. So let me make it very simple and short for you to understand. So basically, France always have big ambition that France wants to promote its own French language throughout the world. Now France has decided to make it famous, make it popular in India, so that Indian people, Indian students can learn this language, can speak this language, so they can get the benefits which France offers to all the people who already speak this language. Because when you speak French language, France offers you different big advantages which you don't know, but I know that, that's why I'm telling you. And that's why France wants to make sure that if you learn French you will be getting a lot of benefits. So France has decided to launch this program, and with this Kaise International, you can get the free education in your bachelor degree in France. So this is the brief overview about Kaise International, so you can understand France wants to promote its language and it's not easy. So France has chosen this way so that it can attract more young Indian bright minds, so that Indian students can come to France and learn French language and can have a better life and a better education for their great future. So that was a quick overview. I hope you have understood, so keep in mind. So now I know that you must be thinking who is eligible for this program. So let's take an example. If you have passed your 12th grade in your country and you have any subject, like you have art subject, you have commerce, you have science subject, so any subject you have, so after finishing your 12th class, then you become eligible for this program. So that means after just finishing your program 12th grade, then you can you can become eligible for this program, so that you can apply, and that's how you can get the admission in this program. So only 12th class students are eligible for this program, so keep in mind. And now let me talk about your next question. What will be taught in this program? So very simple. So in this program you will be taught French language throughout the year, and simultaneously you will be taught your bachelor degree subjects. For example, you can choose any subject like engineering subject, science, arts, commerce, social science, law, BBA, or any type of program you can choose. So what will happen? You will be taught French language and simultaneously you will be taught your subjects in French language, so that you can get the expertise hand in hand both in French language and also in your subject. So later on, once you start your bachelor degree, so you will not have any hassle, you will not have any problem. So you will be able to, you know, cope up with the language and also with your subject. So that means you will have a very smooth life and you can continue your study in French language in France. So in short, in a nutshell, you will be taught French language and also you will be taught your bachelor degree subjects which you will be studying in future after finishing this program. So keep in mind. And now the next question is where you can apply for this, you know, Classes Internationals program. So it's very simple. France government has decided that they offer you this program only in France public universities. So in France at present we do have almost like 3,500, you know, public and private universities. So you have so many, you know, educational institutions in France. But to keep in mind, this special program, you can only study, you can only apply in public universities in France, and because it is funded by the French government, so that means they will only focus the French public universities. So you can always apply in French public universities for this program, so keep in mind. And now the next question is how to apply. So in order to apply this program, you always have to apply online, because all the universities, France public universities, they have their website, they have their own portal, and there you can just go, you can, you know, gather information and you can apply online, you can submit your documents. So everything is very piece of cake. It's just about you have to do some research and go to the university website, and there you will find everything, and just click and follow the instruction, and that's how you can apply online, and that's how you can do that. So keep in mind. And now let me tell you the duration of this Classes Internationals program. So France government has kept 1 year duration for this special program, because France knows that you can become expert in 1 year, because of course if you will dedicate time, you will be, you know, sacrificing a lot of things, and you will be, you know, precisely going to France for this course. So that means 1 year is enough to get the proficiency in French language and also to acquire expertise in your, you know, bachelor degree subjects in French language. So I think it's pretty clear now. The duration is always 1 year, so you can come to France for firstly for 1 year. So 1 year duration, keep in mind. And now let me answer your last but not the least question, because I know that this is very, very important. So the next question is, after doing this program, completing this program, then what type of bachelor degree I can do in France? So the whole purpose of bringing this, you know, Classes International program to your doorstep, very simple. France wants to give you liberty. France wants to make sure that you learn the French language, and also you can choose your education discipline as per your, you know, future goals. So that means you are free to choose. You can choose any engineering field, audiovisual field, you can choose any management field and social work field, science field. So any education program you want to choose, you can do that. So in short, you have the leeway to choose anything, because that's the magic of this program, because you will be taught everything as per your future goals and also the French language. So you can become a doctor, you can become an engineer, you can become a social worker, you can become a, you know, economist, you can become a finance expert. So whatever field you opt for your great future, you can do that. So I think I have cleared this doubt. So this program is basically for your, you know, holistic growth and to come into the system of, you know, France culture, so that you can become almost like a French. And that's the goal of the France, so that you can, you know, you can love France and you can become a citizen of France in future. So this is the whole system, and this is something any bachelor degree you can choose, so keep in mind. I do hope you have understood everything about this new education program, which is called Classes Internationals. And with this program, you can come to France easily. You can learn French, you can get the free education, you can become a citizen, you can earn a lot of money, you can achieve everything, because the sky is not the limit in France. So this is something very special for you, and this is a very special gift to all the students who wants to come to France, but sometimes students are not able to come due to financial constraints. But with the help of this program, you can come to France easily, and that's how you can fulfill your dream. So I hope you have understood everything. So thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck and take care.